Kavya Sono, Harniran Shitri, and Spriya Sharma are 11th grade science students representing Delhi Public School Dimapur in this competition. The model that we have made is of a space-scale explorer that can detect the presence of carbon monoxide in a cave. As we know, carbon monoxide is a very harmful gas to humans. It can displace oxygen in the blood and can deprive the heart, brain, and other vital organs of oxygen when inhaled. In addition to it, studies suggest that the presence of carbon monoxide could be an indicator of life on other planets. Researchers used computer models to understand the atmospheric chemistry of the Earth about 3 billion years ago, when the atmosphere was nearly devoid of oxygen and the sun was much dimmer. The Earth was teeming with microbial life during that time. The results indicated that carbon monoxide could have accumulated in significant quantities in those days, of roughly 100 parts per million. Thus, the abundance of carbon monoxide points to the possibility of life in other planets.
The technology we have used includes a motorized gearbox which acts as the base component that assists in the movement of the model, and the high-sensitivity carbon monoxide sensor that detects the amount of CO present in the caves. The other mechanical components include an Arduino Uno R3 development board and jumper wires. As for how the model functions, if the explorer is set on any surface and set to explore a cave, it can ascertain the levels of harmful carbon monoxide present in that particular cave.
We will now demonstrate the working of our model.
It is well known that caves are the safe zones in outer planets such as Mars that space explorers can take refuge in during difficult situations such as sudden solar storms or dust storms, hurricanes, tornadoes, etc. This model can be helpful in detecting whether the area of refuge is actually a safe haven or not.
Its salient features are 1. The black and yellow main body. 2. Battery connected to the motor box. 3. Sensor on the left side of the main body. And lastly 4. A solar panel for generating energy. There is an endless scope for the upgradation of our model. For example, with more advanced technology and better understanding of space, it can be further used to detect even minute levels of carbon monoxide. Sensors more advanced than the MQ7 sensor which we used and multi-component detectors can be used to ascertain multiple gases simultaneously. All three team members contributed in each step of the project. However, there was some distribution of work. Kavyo did most of the work that needed artistic or creative inputs. Spriha gave the main idea for the project and also played the biggest part in assembling the main body. Lastly, I wrote the script for this presentation and also the synopsis for this project. Thank you.